Good afternoon to our research mentor, Mrs. Farah Madria, and to the panels. Good afternoon, my co-researchers. I am Precious Zaina Naveo of grade 10, James Watson. Production of starch-based bioplastic using panyawan plant Tinospora rumphii Boerl. Background of the study. Bioplastics is a substance made from organic biomass sources which is largely different from conventional plastics, which are commonly made from petroleum. Panyawan plant has been found to be potential bioplastic as phytochemical analysis revealed the presence of alkaloids, flavonoids, and others. Statement of the problem. This study aims to answer the following. Specifically, what are the characteristics of panyawan plant Tinospora rumphii Boerl produced by starch-based bioplastic? A. Taste. B. Stickiness. C. Color. 2. How heavy can bioplastic resist in kilograms? A. 1 kilogram. B. 1 to 2 kilograms. C. Above 2 kilograms. Statement of hypothesis. Alternative. There is a significant difference between the production of starch-based bioplastic using panyawan plant. Null. There is no significant difference between the production of starch-based bioplastic using panyawan plant. Significant of the study. This study is significant to all people, especially consumers or customers, for them to know that this study is essential for keeping a non-polluted country to live onto. Materials. The researcher gathered all the materials within the city of Karkar. The materials needed are panyawan plant, glycerin, hot plate, funnel, baking sheet, beaker, graduated cylinder, aluminum petri dish, NOH, HCl, sodium metabisulfate, and containers. Procedures. Cut the panyawan plant into small pieces and put them into the beaker. Pour the mix of sodium metabisulfate into the beaker with the panyawan and let it rest for a minute. Next, decant the sodium metabisulfate from the panyawan using funnel. Add about 375 of distilled water into another beaker. Transfer the panyawan to the beaker with the water. Decant the water from the panyawan, then place it to the parchment paper and let it dry under the sun. Once it dry, put the dry panyawan in a container, then blend it to make a paste. Weigh 25 grams of panyawan paste. Next, put it in a beaker. Add 3 ml of HCl to the paste, then mix it well. Add 2 ml of glycerin and mix it. Add 3 ml of NaOH into the mixture and mix thoroughly. Spread out the mix of the panyawan paste into the parchment paper uniformly and thinly. Then let it dry under the sun for 24 hours. Then you have the final product of the bioplastic. To test its resistance, the researcher hung 3 different types of plastic of the same size and started adding weight at the same point until they break. Plastic use is specifically biodegradable plastic, non-biodegradable plastic, and the bioplastic. Statistical treatment. ANOVA or analysis of variance is used as statistical analysis to interpret the critical and p-value. ANOVA is used in order to know if there is a significant relationship among variables and whether null should be accepted or rejected. Timetable. Plan time duration. Gathering data 2 days. Making chapter 1 introduction 3 days. Finalizing chapter 1 1 day. Making chapter 2 RRL 2 days. Making chapter 3 methodology 1 day. Submit for proposal approval 1 day. Perform experimentation 4 days. Interpret results and discussions. Making chapter 4 formulate conclusion 1 day. Final research paper 2 days. Cost estimates. Material. Glycerin 20 pesos. NOH 80 pesos. HCl 50 pesos. Sodium metabisulfate 60 pesos, total of 210 pesos. Here are the references. Suggest, I am ready for your interrogation.